What's up, y'all, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Husted TV. I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look installing a 4-in-1 pre-max wig. So the company we'll be working with today is Alipearl Hair. They sent me over this 4-in-1 pre-max wig, which means it's pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-styled. And in the back, they sent me the Alipearl band, lashes, HD wig cap, the melt band, and they sent me a 24-inch wig. Of course, that is the main character of this collaboration. They also sent me a few lace tape, and as I mentioned, this is a 4-in-1 pre-max wig, which means pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-styled. Okay, so this is what it looks like fresh out of the packaging. And I already know, because my forehead is small, I'm probably gonna have to do some readjusting to this wig, but it is what it is. But this is what the wig looks like I mentioned, y'all, out of the packaging. I already went ahead and added my foundation on the inside of the lace. And because y'all know I got this high-low hairline, I was going to end up having to do some readjustment. But this is what the wig looks like after, taking it out of the bag and placing it onto my head. So already I know I'm going to have to redo the braids and redo that top part, because once I put it on my head, it was not laying how I needed it to lay for me to like the final outcome. So I know I was going to have to do some adjustment. But for those people who do have larger foreheads, it will probably be perfect just for you. But for me, I knew I was going to have to redo the braids and re-sleek it out to my liking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that rubber band really quickly, because I know I'm gonna have to take all of that out. But what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start hot combing back the edges a little bit, because I know I was gonna have to do some reconstructing as far as the hairline goes. Like probably recutting the lace and everything like that. So I'm just going to start by go ahead and applying my layer of glue, and I'm only using like 1 to 2 layers today, just to do a quick little tack down. I would not be able to wear the wig glueless, because I have to do some reconstruction to make it work, and I was just like, I'm just gonna have to secure this thing down a little bit to make the job a little bit easier for myself. But this wig can completely be worn glueless if it fits your hairline perfectly. But for those who have to go in and do a little more extra work, I would recommend that you do add either lace tape or lace glue, whatever works best for you to get the job done. So after I apply my layer, I'm just going to go ahead by start placing the glue in the center at first, and then working my way over to the sides. And once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and tie down the hairline with the melt band to make sure that it is laying mostly down, and I could go back in and add extra glue if needed be, but I just need to get the main course of the wig down. So I'm just going to tie that down and let that sit for a few minutes. So now that I went ahead and removed that melt belt, I'm just going to go ahead and now take my razor and just razor off the extra lace that is not supposed to be on my hairline. And that's why I said I will have to go back in, y'all, and restyle the wig, because I cannot wear my wig past where my hairline's supposed to be. I'm just not doing it. Okay, I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna have to do some adjustments to make this wig fit just for me, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm used to doing that anyway, y'all. So like I mentioned, if you have a larger forehead, it's easier for you to just slap on your pre-cut wig. But if you have a more advanced hairline, like one that needs a little tweaking, then you're gonna have to do a little adjustments. But that's perfectly fine though. However, this wig is perfect for beginners, who it will, fit perfectly and everything like that, because you don't have to do nothing but just put it on. Like, we love convenience. We just love convenience. So now that I raised off the extra lace, I'm just going to go ahead and tack down the braids. As y'all did see in the beginning of this tutorial, I am going to do the same style, but I'm just going to make it work for my head shape, just so it looks more presentable and better. So I'm gonna do the same style, but just fit it for my hairline. So the first thing I want to do is just go ahead and hot comb that hair out. And just as I'm hot combing this hair, you can tell this wig is great quality. Like, it looks very sleek and shiny. I just love it. Super soft. And I wanted to add a middle baby hair for this look, because I just felt like, I don't know, like, usually I don't really care for middle baby hairs, but I don't know, today I just wanted to, do a little something, a little jazzier. So I'm just going to do the same style as I mentioned, y'all. So I'm just going to section off my braid for the middle, and I'm just going to go ahead and re-braid that, and get that braid squared away. And then once I finish with my middle braid, I will go ahead and show you guys how I did one braid on one side and match the other side off camera. And I'm not gonna be honest, y'all already know when it comes to doing these styles on yourself, it is super hard to do, very frustrating, and I did get irritated braiding this wig, trust me. But I just, try to keep a game face for y'all. But now that I have both sides completed and I have my baby hair squared away, the next step is to spray this baby down and tie it down so we can get the best melt possible. So I'm just going in with my foundation once again and just tapping across that hairline. And I'm gonna take that even holding spray and spray it so I can kind of like sleek where the ponytail part is supposed to be. Okay, just combing it in, sleeking it in, combing it in, sleeking it in. And then once I get it nice and sleek, I am gonna take my rubber band and go ahead and kind of like get that bad boy together, just kind of seeing how it's gonna look and how it's gonna flow. And I actually love this style though, because It kind of gives like baby doll, you know, like a baby doll look, especially because I added the bow accessory at the end to really top it off. But this wig was super easy to sleek and lay down because it's nice and silky, and you want to make sure that you do secure your braids back because it will easily come and loose because the hair is so like sleek. But we love a sleek wig, and that's just on period. We love a wig that's super soft, and this wig is super soft. Absolutely love the quality of this hair. So I went ahead and secured my ponytail, and I'm just combing, smoothing everything on in. And you want to make sure your braid down is nice and flat, because if not, you will have a humpy ponytail, okay? And you don't want no humpy ponytail, okay? So yeah, now that that's all done and squared away, now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest of my hair back, just like get a nice clean base, and just taking that even holding spray, spraying it and tapping it in across the hairline. And I'm going to take the melt belt and tie it down nice and tight. And when I take it off, y'all gonna see that scalp, period. And let's just get into the melt. Do y'all see that? Nice and melted. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into the baby hairs. For today, I wanted my long sideburns. I don't know, do y'all remember the show like Sailor Moon? It's kind of giving me like Sailor Moon vibes. Like, I don't know what made me think of that when I created this look, but you know, I think it's just the whole bow thing, because you know, wearing bows has come back into style as a trend. So I don't know, it just gave me like very girly, Sailor Moonish, baby dollish, and I actually end up loving it after being so frustrated throughout this process, y'all. I absolutely ended up loving this look and, you know, this install in this wig after all. So shout out to Alipearl, always sending me great quality wigs. Make sure y'all check out those description details down below, so you can purchase you one of these. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs real quick. Not gonna go into too much detail about that, but you know, just, you know, good enough for me to be able to wear it. So yeah, I'm gonna swoop up my middle baby hair and then work my way over to my little temple baby hairs, because we are gonna leave the sideburns nice and long. And of course, you know, you want to cut and curl your baby hairs before swooping it to make your process a little bit easier. So I am doing that now. And once I am done with that, we are pretty much done. So stay tuned for the final look, and let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. And I am absolutely loving this wig and this look. Okay, yes, nice and soft and silky, honey. Okay, it's giving, it's giving. Went through some trials and tribulations, but it is definitely giving such like a little cute little baby doll look. And I do have this pink bow that I will be adding on as an accessory, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip that in. But yes, I ain't gonna lie, this wig install gave the face a little lift a little bit. I see the eyes got chinky on me. So now I'm just gonna take this cute little pink bow and just clip it to my ponytail area. You gotta make it work, y'all, because I know that ponytail be thick, or you could do it at the top of the hair or whatever. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looks if I was to add a bow to the hair. Very cute, and y'all know these big bows are trending, so this is what it looks like with the bow. Super baby dollish, cute, girly. Yeah, real tea, real tea, real tea, real tea. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to check out the description details down below on purchasing this Pre-Max wig. Yes, absolutely love Alipearl hair. They always do their big one when they send me their quality wigs. Love Alipearl down bad.